Welcome, and thank you for your interest in SOTAA products. We have prepared the following video as a helpful guide for properly preparing and applying SOTAA glass products to glass surfaces. This video is not a replacement of the product data sheets. Rather, it is a visual aid in addition to the product data sheets, and it demonstrates what we feel are the most visually important aspects for you to look for when applying our glass products. Many non-visual details associated with the product's applications are not included in this video. However, these are all clearly stated in the product data sheet. If you are preparing to apply either SOTAA's HP7 H2O Phobic or H2OS glass treatment, it is highly advised that you pause the video here and read through the applicable product data sheet before watching any further. Please also note that this video demonstrates the use of basic application methods, tools, and equipment, which may be unsuitable from an efficiency standpoint for large square foot commercial application scenarios. Please contact your SOTAA representative to receive specific information pertaining to commercial applications. We do urge that you first gain some experience preparing and applying SOTAA glass products by utilizing the basics shown in this video. Using SOTAA glass products is easy. All you need are microfiber towels and, of course, the SOTAA glass product you're going to apply. It's always best to apply any coating or treatment to a clean surface. Some additional helpful items include a squeegee, standard glass cleaner, and soft lint-free paper towels. For the professional applicator who wants to achieve maximum product performance and durability, we'll want to have on hand some distilled or deionized water, cerium oxide glass polish, and 70% isopropyl rubbing alcohol to attain ultimate glass cleanliness. And we can't forget hand and eye protection. Using your standard glass cleaner and paper towels, the first thing you'll need to do is prepare the glass surface by cleaning it to remove any loose foreign contaminants. Be sure to give the glass a final rinse or wipe down with distilled or deionized water to remove any residue that may have been left behind by the glass cleaner. For general purpose use on relatively clean glass, SOTAA's glass products can now be applied and the next step skipped. For professional installations, or if your glass has obvious water spotting, it is highly recommended that the glass undergo further surface preparations. For best possible performance and durability, you'll want to polish the glass. We recommend using cerium oxide, a safe natural earth mineral, and water mixture. It will be important to continually shake the mixture during use because the cerium oxide can quickly settle to the bottom of the solution. Pour a fair amount of the cerium oxide and water mixture onto a lint-free paper towel and lightly wet the glass to provide necessary lubrication. Using roughly twice the amount of pressure that you use when wiping off standard glass cleaner, wipe on the cerium oxide mixture, thoroughly covering each portion of the application area. You should be able to feel it as the cerium oxide begins to cut through the mineral deposits, each pass progressively feeling smoother. Heavy water spot removal may require that a thicker paste form of cerium oxide be used, and/or it may be necessary to bring in a professional window cleaning company to remove those heavy deposits. Upon completing the glass polishing, thoroughly rinse off the excess cerium oxide with distilled or deionized water. Standard unfiltered tap water can have high levels of total dissolved solids content, causing water spots to reform on the newly cleaned glass. Follow rinsing by wiping with a clean microfiber towel or paper towel. It is important to ensure the glass is thoroughly rinsed and wiped clean at this point, as microscopic cerium oxide particles can be left behind in the glass pores. To ensure that all cerium oxide particles were removed, we recommend wiping down the glass with 70% isopropyl rubbing alcohol, which needs to then immediately be followed by a final rinse with distilled or deionized water, then air or squeegee dried. To apply SOTAA's HP7 H2O Phobic hydrophobic glass treatment, the first important step is to thoroughly shake the product container for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute. It is also very important to remember to reshake the product container every 15 minutes during use, or a lack of product performance will occur. Pour an ample amount of product onto a clean microfiber towel, thoroughly saturating it without causing drips to form. Now, wipe the product onto the glass that you have already prepared. Work smaller areas at a time, making multiple repeated passes over the same area. The HP7 H2O Phobic will begin trying to repel itself, and the applied liquid material will start crawling together, usually within 10 seconds. As it starts to do this, it becomes more difficult to keep the area wet out with the product, and is why working smaller areas is most ideal. Upon thoroughly treating all areas of the glass, wait 2 to 3 minutes before buffing off the residual treatment with a clean microfiber towel before it dries. If there is any residual left after buffing, wring out the application towel and wipe down those areas again, this time immediately following behind with a clean dry microfiber towel. Since HP7 H2O Phobic is visually undetectable once dry, it is nearly impossible to see if all areas of the glass received treatment. To ensure all areas received ample treatment and for increased scratch resistance and hydrophobic properties, a second or even third coat may be applied if desired. Just wait at least 5 minutes after the previous coat's application and apply the next coat the same way. The applied liquid of successive coats will want to crawl together virtually instantaneously. When this happens, the product is only adhering to the places where ample treatment was not received. The HP7 H2O Phobic is considered a non-sacrificial coating and can typically perform for a year or more before a maintenance reapplication is necessary. Since there are any number of variables surrounding individual applications and environments, it is recommended that the application be checked every 6 months to verify ongoing performance, and that reapplication at that time is not necessary.